Imagine this. You wake up in the morning with a clear mind and a clear purpose. Every moment of your day is filled with meaning, and you feel energized. How can you achieve a level of productivity that seems to defy the laws of efficiency, all while not relying on motivation? Psychologists suggest that achieving high productivity can be accomplished by following several simple yet powerful principles. Principle 1. Set clear goals. Research shows that individuals who formulate specific and measurable goals achieve significantly more than those who simply dream about their aspirations.
A dream without a plan is just a hallucination. To make this principle work for you, use the SMART system. A goal must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Write down your goals and break them into smaller tasks to make them more manageable. When you turn a massive project into a list of 10 small steps, you trick your amygdala, the area of the brain responsible for the fear of the unknown. Each completed microtask provides a small release of dopamine, which pushes you toward the next step. Principle 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. The human brain is not designed to focus on a single complex task for 8 hours straight. Our attention is cyclical. This method involves working on a task for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. This approach helps prevent burnout and keeps concentration at a high level. Limiting the time creates a psychological deadline effect, which forces the brain to work more intensely. Principle 3. Organize your environment. Your workspace can greatly influence your productivity. There is a concept of visual pollution. If your desk is cluttered with papers and unnecessary things, the brain spends part of its processing power trying to ignore this chaos. Remove clutter from your desk and create a space that fosters focus. A clean desk means a clean mind. Minimalism around you sends a signal to the nervous system. Now is the time only for work. If possible, separate zones for different tasks. Do not work where you eat or rest. By creating physical boundaries, you train your brain to enter a state of deep work automatically as soon as you sit down at your desk.
Give this video a like if you agree that discipline always beats talent. Let's grow this community of strong minds together. Now, on to the next step.
Principle 4. Minimize distractions. In the modern world, attention is the most expensive currency. Every time you are distracted by a notification on your phone, you pay a switching tax. Research shows that after an interruption, it takes the brain up to 23 minutes to return to the previous level of immersion in a task. Set specific times to check your email and messages. This allows you to concentrate on current tasks and avoid constant shifts in attention. Use apps to block social media or simply put your phone in another room. If you learn to protect your focus for at least 2 hours a day, you will do more than most people do in a week. Principle 5. Engage in physical activity. Many people consider sports a waste of time, but in reality, it is an investment in productivity. Regular physical exercise not only improves your health, but also directly affects brain function by increasing neuroplasticity. Even a short 15-minute workout or a series of squats improves blood flow to the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making and willpower. Principle 6. Spend time outdoors. We are children of nature, not office boxes. Prolonged stays within 4 walls lead to a decrease in serotonin levels and an increase in stress. A walk outside can significantly boost your mood and increase your energy levels, contributing to greater productivity. Natural light regulates your biological clock, circadian rhythms, which directly affects sleep quality and alertness during the day. Principle 7. Develop good habits. Willpower is a finite resource. The most effective people in the world rely not on it, but on automatisms. This is a powerful tool that enables you to perform necessary actions automatically without spending mental energy on decision-making. Start with small steps and gradually incorporate new habits into your life. If you want to start reading, start with 1 page a day. The secret is in consistency, not intensity. When an action becomes a habit, it moves from the energy-intensive part of the brain to the basal ganglia, where it is performed almost for free for your psyche. Remember, you have the potential to achieve incredible results by following these simple principles. Productivity is not magic or an innate gift. It is the result of designing the right environment and following a system. When you stop waiting for inspiration and start relying on structure, your life changes. You're no longer a slave to your mood or external circumstances. You become the architect of your day. Start today. Pick one of these principles and implement it right now. You will be amazed at how productive you can become when you remove the friction between yourself and your goals. Thank you for watching.